So for this one, I chose to do a full 𝗥𝗡 stealth. My team here at Liberty Auto Works did an amazing job protecting it from head to toe, customizing the areas on the hatch, wrapping as many edges as possible, because our goal was to make it look like this was a factory paint job straight from Tesla. So emblems were removed, fender trim was removed, the rear taillights to do the back hatch in one piece, that was all done. So not only were the areas in red protected with 𝗥𝗡 Stealth paint protection film, but we also protected the matte black trim. So that included the window trim surround, the mirror stalks, as well as the areas on the door handles and other high impact areas. So the entire thing is protected with 𝗥𝗡 Stealth,